Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on how to trade on Binance for beginners. If you want to make money on Binance, day trade cryptocurrency, using the Binance or Binance US platform, this is going to be the video that you want to watch because I'm going to share with you how to easily trade on Binance. So, before we get into this, please refer to disclaimers. Trading is very risky. It's 100% risk on you, and you are responsible for your gains and losses, and you'll probably lose money before you gain or make any money. So just please understand that trading is risky, and if you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission as an affiliate. But let's go ahead and move on to how to trade on Binance for beginners, okay? So here's what you need to do, and I'll explain the process, and it'll make a lot of sense. So the first thing you need to do is go to my website really quick, and then just go ahead and click this button, enter your name, your email, and you're going to go ahead and end up on a page like this. And it'll have a video of me, and then you can go ahead and just click the button right here, and you can actually see the team bonuses. I actually give you this funnel right here. I build it for you. I build you this capture page as well, and I also set up my email autoresponder, so you can get all these bonuses as well. But when you click this button, you're going to go to this page right here. So this is going to be where you can learn about this program. You can go and enter your first name, last name, email, and your phone number, and then lock in your spot. When you lock in your spot, your next page will look like this. So here is where you're going to learn how to trade on Binance for beginners. So when you scroll down, here's the boot camp. Okay, so start here now. So you're going to learn how to, so look, you're going to, on the second video, you're going to go into trading view and set up your watch list, okay? And then you're going to learn what candles are, and then you're going to be on trading view right here, okay? You're going to learn how to set up your trading view, all right? Boom. Very powerful. And then we have time to learn buy the dip the right way. So you'll learn how to buy the dip, and then you'll learn about compounding returns, and then you'll learn about how to set up trading alerts, okay? So that way you don't have to look at charts all the time. But anyways, this initial boot camp starts with trading view and walks you through how to set up your charts. Then you can go ahead and go on Binance and trade on Binance. However, once you become a member by clicking join and filling out your information, you'll get access to more training for $100 plus $40 a month, and then you can become an affiliate for $10, okay? And that's included in the price. So you click right here. It takes it off. Well, there we go. No, it takes it off. Yes, puts it back on there. And so it's $100 and then $40 a month, and then you'll be able to add a portal, a trading portal that will replace trading view for $10 per month as a member. So let me go ahead and log into my membership and show you the actual training on how to day trade on Binance. Okay. So we go here, go to iCoin Pro Training, scroll down, and when we go to how to paper trade, okay, here we are. This is also in the free boot camp, but you'll be learning how to paper trade right here, okay? Let me get rid of that. So here you'll be learning how to paper trade and practice the micro profit system, okay? So very powerful. And then you'll be able to actually go down further in the training, okay? How to buy cryptocurrencies, how to send and receive, how to use wallets. And here's the paid section right here, and down you'll learn more about cryptocurrencies in general, and then also right here you start the micro profit system. So let's go right here, and I'm not going to show you everything because this is the paid membership, but when we get into here, let me scroll down actually. Let me go to a different video. So right here, you're going to learn Binance Exchange basics and setting up your graphs, okay? So here's where you're going to actually get the Binance training. See this? So the first free part of the training is going to be the boot camp, where you learn how to set up TradingView and learn how to practice trade. Then when you become a member, you're going to be able to access the training on how to get Binance and how to use Binance to trade for beginners. Okay? And then we have a Coinbase version right here. So it's going to cover Binance and Coinbase. I use Coinbase, okay? But you can use either one. So how cool is that? Now there's also more training on buying the squeeze. So let's go back and then we can go to buy the dip. And this will also be Binance Training as well. Okay? So here we got Binance and things like that. So let's go down. And I'm not going to show you any of the training really, but you can go ahead and purchase the training and start to learn how to use Binance specifically to day trade. Okay? And it's very, very simple. You're going to be able to apply the boot camp. You're going to be able to even practice trade the boot camp. And then you're going to be able to go on to Binance or Coinbase and start using what you learn to make real money. Okay? So does that make sense? This is how to trade on Binance for beginners. You're going to learn inside of iCoin Pro using the micro profit system. Okay? Very, very simple. Now, also, for $10 a month, you can grab the trading portal in iCoin Pro, which just launched, and let me show you how you can easily trade on Binance using the portal. So right here we have the trade finder, and you can set up the exchange. So right here you can go to Coinbase, Binance, or Binance US. For this example, I'm going to set up Binance US. So here we have coins that are in a squeeze trade and one is in a dip trade. Okay, so you're going to learn the dip trade on the boot camp for free. Okay, so look, the market's dipping. So you're going to learn when the right time to buy is. So it's making one dip outside of the Bollinger Bands. You're going to wait for 3 dips, and then you're going to go ahead and make a buy. Alright, so you can actually go ahead and apply. See how easy it is to apply the training? So right here, it's training, but then all I had to do was come over here, click Trade Finder, see that this is in a dip, look at it, and then now, because I've been through the training, I know what it's supposed to look like. So I'm going to wait for the dip, it's going to come back in, dip again, come back in, dip again, and that's my buy right there. Okay? So I'm going to wait for that setup. So it might not be perfect, it might be just, look, 3 minutes ago it started to tell me that, right? So it may not be perfect. You're going to have to you're going to have to reference the training. Okay, so let's look at Litecoin and see if it's in a squeeze. Let's go out. Let's go to the 1 hour real quick. And it says it's in a squeeze. However, I am not going to go ahead and take this trade because it looks just a little bit messy. Okay, so let me not trade that one. Let me see what Shiba looks like. And so I can look at it right here on the chart, okay? And also, if I want, I can open it on Binance US or TradingView or CoinMarketCap, okay? Now, I'm not actually logged into Binance US, but I'm showing you that you can use this for Binance, okay? So this will take you right to the chart, and you can just buy or sell right away, okay? So you can make your buy based off of what you see here, and then you can even go to their Twitter page and see if there's any bullish news and things like that. So you click on Twitter, opens up a new page, and will take you right to the Twitter page, okay? That was Litecoin. Hold on. It took me to Litecoin. Let's do this. Refresh. And then Trade Finder. Binance. Go to Shiba. Twitter. Okay, takes me right to Shiba. So I can see if they're posting a lot recently. Looks like they're not posting that much. So like if they were posting a lot, had a lot of engagement, things were going on, you might want to think about making a nice buy, because it would probably be more bullish than what it would be. So you could actually go into here and be like, okay, which coins are in a squeeze and are actually posting on Twitter, right? Maybe EOS actually is posting a little bit on Twitter more recently, which would make it a little more bullish than Shiba. February 28th, right? May 4th. So it's a little more recent. So maybe EOS would be a better thing to look out for. But anyways, you're just going to cross-reference the squeeze trade with what you see, or I'm sorry, with what you learned in the boot camp, or I'm sorry, in the education. So we go to the chart, and we see, actually this is the wrong chart. Go here. Okay. So here, we can see that we have, see, it says it's in a squeeze trade, but I don't really think it's in a squeeze trade. I think the squeeze trade was right here, and we're done with the squeeze trade. And even this squeeze trade didn't really look that promising. It looked more bearish, and then it just kind of turned around. So this was not really a safe trade. I would not take that as a squeeze trade. So even though the software says that it might be in a squeeze trade, I'm actually not going to take every squeeze trade that it tells me, okay? So you want to make sure that you cross-reference it with the trading, or with the education that you learn, and just be very careful. See how messy this is? I'm not really going to trade anything that looks like a mess like that. Go out to the 1 hour, and let's see if it's in a squeeze trade. Okay. Now, what's a squeeze trade? Well, you'll learn a squeeze trade in the training, but the squeeze trade is when it's on an uptrend. But we see it broke that uptrend, so it's actually probably not in a squeeze trade. And it's probably just going to be going up and down, up and down, up and down, and creating an actual squeeze. So that's going to be a no-go. So this is not a squeeze trade for me. Maybe the market is recovering a little bit, but we're not going to go ahead and trade that. Okay, my preferred exchange is Coinbase, but I'm showing you Binance. Now we have the RSI SPY. You can actually come over here and see which coins are really, really high. See how high the RSI is on here, which means probably it's good to sell that coin and get out of it. See how it's going up and up and up and up. So you're going to want to start selling your coin and start getting out of that position. And then probably it's going to keep going up until this hits 71. And then you can sell out of that coin, start shorting it. And then let's see. See how this right here is really low on the 1 day? Let's open this up. So it's probably a good time to buy this coin. Really, really low on the 1 day. Okay. And it's making more of a squeeze trade. See how it's got the bear flag like that? It's not making any lower lows. It's new lows going higher. Okay, an uptrend. See that? So this is probably more of a good squeeze trade right here because the RSI is so low on the 1 day. So I think that this would be a better trade to look out for and to make a buy versus some of these. Okay. Now you can also see the RSI right here, right? So you can go in here and just see which one has the lowest RSI, and then go look at that, and then go see if that's a trade. Okay. All right. So that's how you can trade on Binance very easily using this Coinbase, or I'm sorry, this iCoin Pro education and this iCoin Pro portal. All right, it would be $100 right now to go ahead and buy the additional training after the free boot camp, and then $50 per month to have access to all the training, which is $40 a month, and then the portal is $10 a month, which would be $50 a month total. All right. So go ahead and visit my website right now. Go ahead and click the button, enter your name and